everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. Myself Aishwarya Saxena. This is a video on concepts of sources of cyber threats. This video will also be coming in many parts. This one particularly is going to be a small one. So let's talk about the most common sources of cyber threats. Number 1, nation states or national governments. Number 2, terrorists. Number 3, industrial spies. Number 4, organized crime groups. Number 5, hacktivists and hackers. Number 6, business competitors. Number 7, disguaranteed insiders. We shall discuss about these in detail in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel. And also press the notification bell because the latest uploads will be there after pressing the notification. If you have any queries, put it in the comment section and I will be definitely trying my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.